Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we would be making stuffed karela, which is also known as bitter melon or bitter gourd. This vegetable has many health benefits and is a very great source of several key nutrients. Let's have a quick look at the required ingredients and let's get started. We need 250 grams of bitter gourd. Let's clean them first. It's already been pre-washed, so we need to remove both the ends and scrape the skin of these karelas. Make a cut vertically like this by ensuring the base is intact. Now it's time to de-seed them, and similarly we would scrape and de-seed all of them. We won't discard the scraped skin, we are going to keep them for later use. However, the seeds will be discarded. Most of them do not eat karelas due to its bitterness. Here is the trick to remove the bitterness of the karelas. Apply salt and rub it all over and keep it aside for 30 to 45 minutes. Similarly, we will also apply salt to the scraped skin and keep this aside too. Squeeze in the karelas one by one. By doing so, the bitter taste of these karelas will reduce. We will repeat this with the skin of karelas as well. Let's make the spice powder. We need 1 teaspoon of sauf, which is fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of dhania, which is coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera, which is cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of methi dana, which is fenugreek seeds, and 1 teaspoon of kalonji, which is onion seeds. Saute them till you smell the aroma of the spices. Once all this is roasted nicely, grind it to a very fine powder. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, preferably sarson ka tel, which is mustard oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 medium-sized finely chopped onions, which is pyaz, and saute it till it is pinkish. Now goes in 2 teaspoons of adrak lasan ka paste, which is ginger and garlic paste. Saute for a minute on a low flame. It's time to add in the scraped karela and saute it for 30 seconds. Let's add in half teaspoon of haldi, which is turmeric powder, 1 to 2 teaspoon of lal mirch powder, which is red chili powder. Now goes in the spice powder which we just made. Mix all this and saute it for approximately 30 seconds. Many of us always end up with leftover masala in your achar bottle. So I always use it for these stuffed karelas. Add 2 tablespoons of achar masala to this mixture and mix all this nicely. As there is enough salt in the achar masala, so taste the stuffing which we have made and then adjust the salt accordingly. Let's cool down the stuffing and let it come down to the room temperature. Let's stuff the karelas with this delicious stuffing which we just made and tie it with a piece of thread so that the stuffing does not come out while cooking the karelas. We will one by one stuff the karelas and tie them and keep them ready. Take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, add in 2 dried red chilies, which is lal mirch, 10 to 12 curry patta, which is curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, which is asafoetida. Now it's time to add in the stuffed karelas and roast them for 5 minutes on low medium flame. Cover and simmer on a low flame and keep stirring the karelas occasionally and cook them until they are completely done. This has been cooked completely. serve them by either untying them or as is. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. Do give it a try and please don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and hit the bell icon for the notification. Bye bye.